In this video, I will show you step by step how to cancel Prodigy membership. So if you want to cancel your Prodigy membership, follow me in this video. First step, log in your accounts in Prodigy with your own information. After logging your accounts, go to this section. As you can see here, friends, click on this section, click on membership. When you click on membership, you will see this option. Click on cancel or pause. So you have two options. Basically, click cancel. So this is on your web device. If you have a mobile, click this profile icon. As you can see here, this is for mobile. After that, you will see this page from the mobile. Click this profile icon and then choose manage and then click cancel. So basically, this is the option in mobile. Click cancel and membership from here. So if you have any problem, you can go to support team and then click on request as submissions, click a billing. This is the second method. From the second method, write your email subscription and then choose your teacher or this one student. For student here, write your product type, Prodigy Math. From the subject, click cancel subscription and then click on the description here, choose located, choose your state here, and then click submit or write your descriptions on description about your cancellation. Basically, this is how you can do, friends. Log in your accounts from here. This is the first option, and then click on membership. When you click the membership, click on cancel. As you can see here, click on cancel paid and membership. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video. Just go to this URL membership. From this URL you can cancel without any problem.